If V equals 2 minus 3i and W equals 1 plus 2i, calculate each of the following. The first question is A. So in A, they ask us, what's that? Now before I'm going to do that, I'm going to draw you a little arcane diagram. And on the arcane diagram, remember this is my imaginary numbers, and this is my real values. Which means that my real value is 2, 1, 2, and my imaginary value is negative 3 minus 3, then V will lie there. That point there is 2 minus 3i. When they ask us what is this, the magnitude of V, they ask us how long is that line. What we're going to do is we're going to use the rule, and it's a simple rule. It is basically, it is Pythagoras. So V says the magnitude of V, if the magnitude of A plus BI equals the square root of A squared plus B squared. Because all we want to know is what is this magnitude, which means what is that and that, which is a right angle triangle, and we can therefore use Pythagoras. So if I want to find the magnitude of V, I'm going to say that equals the square root of 2 squared plus negative 3 squared. That will be 2 squared is 4. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. So that equals the square root of 13. In B, they ask us, what is the magnitude of the conjugate? Remember, that means the conjugate. So first of all, they ask us what's the conjugate of V, which means that's the symbol of negative 3 is changing. So that will be 2 plus 3i. Now you should know by now that this will be exactly the same as this one. And the reason is that A and B, all that happens now is that this 2 minus 3i becomes 2 plus 3i. So it's over there. But the magnitudes are still the same because this and this distances are the same. Let's have a look. This equals the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared, and that equals square root 13. In C, they ask us what is the magnitude of V plus 2W. So first I'll have to multiply 2. So I'm going to say V plus 2W equals, V is 2 take 3i plus 2 times, I use brackets, 1 plus 2i. This will give me 2 minus 3i. 2 times 1 is plus 2. 2 times plus 2i is plus 4i. This will give me a value of 2 plus 2 is 4 plus I. And all I have to do now is I'm going to say to find V plus 2W, the magnitude. The magnitude, all I'll do is I'll say it's the square root of 4 squared plus 1i, so it's 1 squared. That is 16 plus 1, so that is the square root of 17. That is the magnitude of V plus 3W.